Good morning, people. Welcome you all back to my channel once again. You're watching my channel, Mahaneet. Another exciting day of riding with me. As you might have seen on the title, we are heading to Kerala today. It's a very early morning for us. The time right now it's 4:30 a.m. and we are right now in Sholay Circle in Namma, Bengaluru, heading towards Attibele toll where we are going towards Tamil Nadu today. And there's the three of us riding. That's GS, Deepak Gowda and Akshay on the Himalayan. So we're meeting rest of the gang, a big gang near Attibele toll. We'll introduce you to the gang a little later. Welcome you all back to my channel once again. If you're new to my channel, you know the drill. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates to all my videos. Stay tuned for an exciting day of ride to Kerala. So we are at Attibele toll and a big bunch of bikers out here. I'll introduce you one-on-one little later. Welcome to Tamil Nadu. So we are entering Tamil Nadu state now. This is just outside Hosur. Lot of traffic early morning. Since it's a long weekend, a lot of people have planned to travel. Busy highway it's going to be. Here we come, Kerala. Beautiful morning here. Just post Dharampuri. A lot of fog. Foggy Tamil Nadu. We missed our breakfast point. It was Sai Sangeet in Dharampuri. So we're just riding along. Beautiful sunrise. Here in the morning it's around 6:30 a.m. A lot of wind. So I'm sure you can't hear me properly. So we just passed Salem and we've got about another 350 kilometers to go to reach our destination. Beautiful morning here in Tamil Nadu. Enjoying the ride. The Transalp is absolutely brilliant and super fun to ride on the highway. Very responsive, sharp braking, very confident, inspiring bike, and it's very much apt. Enough power to take on any highway in the world, I'm sure. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. E Road 68, Madurai 238. And my horn is not working for some reason. So it's like handicapped on these highways. The roads are brilliant in Tamil Nadu. What a view! Check it out. The sun right over the horizon of the hills. Kanyakumari, 454 kilometers. Beautiful Tamil Nadu morning here. Beautiful Kaveri river. Let's get a drone shot here. Well, hope you like the drone shots of the beautiful Kaveri River. A lot of people having bath and washing the vehicles over there. Plus, there's a lot of fishing also going on. Another small river here before Dindigul. Check out the beautiful mountain or hill is called. The clouds stuck around it. This is the beautiful Tamil Nadu. The time right now it's about 8:20. We got I think about 200 kilometers to go to 10. Should be there by lunchtime. Stay tuned. So this is Dindigul, famous for the Dindigul Talpakatti biryani. Time right now is around 8:45 AM and we got to take a deviation here at Dindigul towards Kerala. Straight goes to Kanyakumari, about 250 kilometers, but we're not going straight. At the 300 meters we have a deviation. And it's going to be a smaller road from here, I think, so pace will be much slower. And we've got split from the boys, me and Mohan Gowda. Remaining guys were having breakfast some half an hour back when I spoke to them. Right now it's just me and Mohan. Mohan went ahead as I was refueling. It's just me right now. So let's see, 3.6 kilometers. I think I should have stayed on the highway itself. Why did I come down? Sorry. 3.5 kilometers it's showing. Why the hell should I come out right now? So apparently this particular road goes to Kodaikanal, Theni, and then further on to Kerala. Last time I remember we did Kodai to Munnar through Theni. Similar route. Beautiful, very scenic route. So we are, I am near to Kumli, another 28 kilometers. Destination, our resort is about 69 kilometers. I think Mohan is ahead and the remaining boys are behind. Should reach there by around 12:15. Let's see how it goes. Last bit of riding, and I think guards should start anytime now. They'll climb up to the mountains, the hills. The beautiful mountains here. I think one is Munnar and one is Vagamon. There's a waterfall right up there. I don't know whether you can see it on the GoPro. Beautiful fall from a very tall height. The whole area is so beautiful here. And we're going straight into the mountains. We're going to start climbing shortly. About 8 kilometers and then bam, we hit the mountains. Here we come. Mountains, long awaited. So this is the Gudlur range of forest area, Megamalai Wildlife Division, Theni, Lower Camp, Megamalai. So we are in the coffee land of Kerala. This is just past Tekidi, very close to Munnar, and we are heading to Vagamon. Very narrow roads and dicey drivers. Buses come literally over on you, but the surrounding is so scenic and beautiful. Weather is very cool. The time right now is 11:30 a.m. By 12:30 I think I should be in the destination. I guess Mohan must have already reached. I stopped for a couple of shots en route. Arjun and Rishi are en route from Coimbatore and Kerala respectively. So here we come, Vagamon. So we're just about 20 minutes from the property, and all these beautiful tea estates have started, as we are in the same belt as Munnar Tekdi. Vagamon also is in the same range. Check out the shots from the brand new Insta 360 X4 I got.
Welcome to Vagamon. We reached this beautiful property very early yesterday. My connection with nature has always been deep and intense. We reached this beautiful property here in Vagamon early afternoon, you can say, around 2ish. And we got a beautiful view. We were welcomed by this beautiful view. Hope you like my entire journey to reach Vagamon. We basically had our lunch and just rested for the day. Nothing much to do. Hope you like the vlog. Catch you around on my next one, that is tomorrow. Stay tuned for an exciting day at Vagamon. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates to all my videos. Stay tuned. Until tomorrow, it's Signer Adios and goodbye. Thank you very much for watching.